All right, so here we are networking at an online conference. I have gone into the network and created my um, profile, which I'll show you here in a minute, and it matched me up with agents. So basically, I'm just sending them a message, and I change it every so often, but then I'll copy and paste that and use that message that's relevant to the group. For example, there was one that was top producer users, so I asked them, I said, hey, how are you liking still using top producer? There was another one that was based on their database is driving their business. So I talked about the database. This is just a generic one. Here we go for Mega Camp Virtual. Am I your first message at the event? And these I actually searched by volume. So these are the top agents in Keller Williams. And I'm just burning through here. I got basically a generic message that I'm sending, or I personalize the message if I know the person. So I am going through them individually because it is relationships, as if I was walking around the conference networking, and if I saw somebody I knew. So if anything, this has an advantage over connecting with people that I may not have stopped in the hallway. So I'm seeing local people and sending them a message. So she's already responded. And I'm just going through the roster and copying and pasting. I mean, this takes a little bit of time, but this is not something I can do bulk. And these are people I don't know, but I'm finding all the people that I do know that I'm sending the personal message to. I'll show you here in a second how, yeah, so here, this is the guy that owns Boomtown. I've met Greer several times, so I basically sent him a personal message here. And I think I've been through this whole list now. Pretty much all these people have messages already from me. Gonna see here. Show you one more personal message that I sent. So here's one to Denny Grimes. What's up, Denny? Checking in. Hope all is well. Brian Gubernick. You know, it's great to see you online. I know we bumped into each other. I wouldn't say we've really connected, but he's top agent in the company. So I just kind of said maybe we can connect virtually. How funny would that be? Here's Masha. She's one of the cyber stars. So I messaged her, and she actually got my generic message at first because I wasn't paying attention. And then I realized, what the heck? So I got the personal message in there. And the last one was Wendy Papazon. This would be, you know, Wendy, I would normally just walk up and hug, and if I bumped into her in the hall and all that stuff. So got to get, you know, just really put a personal touch on it. Thank her for everything. So then what I'm doing is just going back in and rebuilding my stuff. So I've been in business 10 years, and I can go through all of these and connect with people that have been in business with less, but I'm just kind of going with the rainmakers that have been 10 years or more, doing 250 transactions a year, working with their database, because that's, I mean, I can go through every single one of these and kind of target to the people that I'm talking to. Follow-up boss. So I just did the Boomtown one. I've done the command one. I've also done the top, maybe I haven't done the top producer one. Let's generate that network and see what we get. So Lisa, yep, I've already got her. I already sent her a message, personal message. Ben Baker, I'm not going to use my copy and paste message on this one because I know Ben. So I'm going to tell him, just send him a quick message. But otherwise, I'll tweak this message and put something about, so I see you're still using top producer. How's that going? Are you making the switch? You know, what systems are you using to make everything work for you? I'd love to hear what's working, something like that. So we can create some communication with all these agents. I'm blasting out this copy and paste message. And the more personalized I can get, like, hey, are you using top producer? What systems are working for you? It will get them to engage with me, and that's where I'll spend most of my time at the event, is networking and engaging back and forth with these people that respond. So that's going to filter them up to the top. So this is how I network online. While the classes are going on, I'm listening to the information, but I am really like looking at everybody in the room. If I can message them, I'm sending them personal messages if I know them. If a live class is going on, I'm not messaging somebody I don't know, just the people that I do know and have relationships with. All right, so that's what I do to network with agents online.